Today I will show you how to embed PDF files, Google Sheets, and other Google files directly in Confluence Cloud page. By the end of this video, you will know how to build clean interactive page where your team can view documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and so on. Everything stays up to date and everything stays in one place. So let's get straight into it. So we will start with the PDF files. Now you can just drag it into this page, your PDF file, or you can go this way. Here we will say and type in file, and you will see here image, video, or file. Click on that, and now you can choose file or link. So we will go with file, upload, and I will take this one PDF here. Now as you can see, you can preview here, view more, and we have inline and card. So I prefer this kind of way. We can move it here. So if we go back like so, if your PDFs live online and update frequently, there's even better options. I show you how you can import it into this Confluence PDF, but here is the issue that if you are constantly changing the file, you need to then delete here and then re-upload right over here. Now, so if this PDF, as I mentioned, is frequently used, we have better solution for that. So if we go here to the apps and then explore more apps, and we can type in here PDF embed for Confluence and choose this one right here, import and embed PDF assets attachment for Confluences. Click on that, and on the right side here you can install it. Now what this thing do? If I go back right here, and as before, type in right here embed PDF, you will see it right here. Click on it, and it will load up one pop-up window. Now here we can choose types of file. So if I go here and choose this one, it's I will public URL and PDF. So I will press right here. And as you can see, we have here now exactly what we found on website right now. Here we will type in the page number we would like to see first when the PDF is displayed, and so on. Here we have some settings that we can activate or not. And after we are happy with this, we just press here insert, and this thing will needs to pop up right here. And this now is basically live PDF. So when the changes comes to the PDF, it will change also here. Now the last thing here, we can go for slides if we want. So what we can do is go to the explore more apps and type in Google Drive Confluence. So I will just copy it for Confluence. We have here this one. and will load up. Also try, you need to install it. It takes a little bit of time, but it's pretty cool. Now I will just refresh my website here. So now, as you can see here, I just need to find it. We have options to Excel. So, and I will type in, it will be much quicker, Excel here. And as before, we can edit this XLS file also. But now with the slides, we will just copy that link and paste it right here on this page. Now the second thing, if this thing doesn't work as it should be, we have second options. So it's called, we go back to explore more apps and type in Google Drive connector by EcoTeam. So this one right here. This is excellent connector for Google Drive. This opens a browser where you can select documents, spreadsheets, presentation, even entire folders. Linking a folder is especially useful when you want quick access to whole collection of files without leaving Confluence. So this is basically pretty useful tool to have. Now here you just can type in, for example, Google Drive, or just Drive, as you can see, and it will show this window right here, and you can add whatever you would like to add. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can embed live PDFs and all Google Drives content directly into Confluence. Your page stay clean, your files stay updated, and your team stays productive. So if this video helped you out, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also comment down below that you have subscribed, that I can personally thank you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.